I started recording my audio, talking, and I forgot to click record on the recorder, so I was talking and there was no video. Oh, well, I'm done. I thought space was wrong then for a second. How wrong was I? Shit!
Hey guys, and welcome to La Noire. I am a policeman in the LA, and we've got a first case.
I was too concerned the fact they had posh names. Oh yeah, so I'm Tribal Felix.
Oh, someone started work on a cure. Japan. No, Japan, why? You can't work on a cure, that's not, it's not on. You have to take care of you. Ha.
Riders on the storm.
I'm gonna hide in the fucking bathroom. Whoa! I'm not doing hide in the bathroom. I'm not gonna hide in the bathroom. I'm so fucked. I am so fucked. I am so fucked. I am so fucked. I'm so fucked.
Oh, look at how slow you are. Maybe I should ingest myself into you and take your body, make you bleed until there's nothing. Whoa! Oh, you colossus fuck!
If it worked, we can move drug and guns this way.
Yeah, sure.
No need to carry anything that will get you arrested. You just drop in wherever you are and pick it up where you need it.
Oh, that's the van. Alright.
Silent.
Oh, sorry. Hey guys, it's the Force Weilders. I forgot her name already. I'm Sparky.
Middle one is Flame Boy. He refuses to take the name, but he is
Flame Boy.
Press Y. It actually is the Y button on an Xbox controller.
Yeah.
Flame Boy.
And then we have Aqua.
Hi.
Unfortunately, Quake is asleep.
Yeah, there was meant to be 4, but we can't get him. So
So Earth is not here, basically. Will you stop toggling that?
seriously, we're gonna pick our cup.
God damn it!
Fire!
Flame Boy, behave yourself. Guys, we shall pause the recording, try and sort this out, and be right with you.
Hi guys, we're gonna play White Noise, and once again, Quake isn't here because we're having issues with castle crashes and this piece of shit.
Yeah, but we got it working now.
This is still the intro.
Yeah. Wait, it's just gonna be spliced together. Castle crashing.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon. Hey, we're on White Noise now.
Pretty much.
Okay, we ready to start?
Yep. I'm scared, but yep.
I don't know, I'm more relieved it's actually working and we actually got into a lobby.
And it crashed.
Don't say that. Find all the tape recorders. Hi. Hey. God, I'm so slow.
Where are you?
Hey.
Oh, offline.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Look at me.
Hey. You guys are so small. I'm super tall. Oh no, I'm not.
Who's the guy with the big jaw, like moody face? Who's running away? That's gonna be bad, isn't it?
I'm behind you. He's got
Okay,
blonde.
Glass.
He's the only one with blonde hair. Where have you gone?
Lame boy, go away.
Flame.
Come here.
Look at how you walk. Right, so we need to collect shit.
Oh my god, my stamina is appalling.
I don't know how to track. I don't know how to use my powers.
I think it's auto. That one means you can travel. Your little paw means you can. No, you're disconnected.
I didn't. I'm still here.
It came up Sparky disconnected.
No, I'm still here. I'm still here.
There's a weird noise.
I'm still here. What are you
Found
doing?
one. I
What
found
the
one.
shit are you doing?
I found one.
Did you? But I need
It's
to.
dangerous to go alone. Where are you? Oh
It's
my God.
dangerous to go alone. Take this.
I know it's dangerous to go.
Run.
I'm going alone.
Ah, I don't know where you are.
I'm right beside you. You're walking sideways.
I've got stuff.
No, you're not. There's no one beside me.
I found a tape.
I've got Starty.
It says things.
Am I actually in your game?
I don't. You've just phased through a rock. Bez.
What's going on?
I don't know. I'm scared.
There's static. What's happening?
I'm scared. Where have you gone?
Guys, dude, it said you guys are disconnected.
Oh shit.
Apparently, I'm on my own.
Oh god, I'm on my own and my Bez is gone! Bez!
Bez, you are a bad player!
Bez, where have you gone?
I think I'm dead.
Playboy! I'm scared! Ah! I don't know what that was! I can't see
Oh my
anything!
gosh, there's like smoke following me.
Ah, I don't know what's going on! It's
What's
dangerous to go alone, take... I can't stop singing that.
I don't know what's
Oh god.
happening.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, no! Ah!
I'm looking at the floor, I'm scared! I'm scared! Ah!
I died.
I'm dying? I'm choking to death.
I'm in a game on my own.
Oh god. Oh god.
I'm on my own. I'm not with you.
I think I'm dying.
Guys, I'm in a game all on my own.
Ah! Fuck me!
Guys, I'm in a game.
All on your own. I think I got that.